Welcome to another GrainGenes tutorial on YouTube. GrainGenes is a USDA ARS sponsored project to deliver data and provide community resources for the small grains, wheat, barley, oats, and rye. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through GrainGenes' homepage, where researchers, students, and the curious can find information on these valuable commodities. So our homepage is divided up into 4 major sections. The top menu has drop-downs for tools and resources. The left menu is community services and shortcuts. Our right menu contains updates and social media links, and the center panes have quick links and hot topics. Starting with the top menu, users, once they click on the title, we'll have a drop-down, for example, of GrainGenes tools, housed in GrainGenes, a way to query data types within the database, resources for the small grains, other websites and things within GrainGenes, our collaborators list, an about page which links to our team members and information, and cite us instructions, and a feedback form. Okay, so let's start with the center panes. And please be aware that there's a lot of GrainGenes tools and links that can be found in more than one place. So this includes the search and browse GrainGenes, the actual database of GrainGenes. Search genetic maps that are available to the comparative mapping tool CMAP. The current hot topics are also listed there, and there are direct links to job listings and a tutorials list. All right, moving on with the left menu. The top is the search and browse GrainGenes, which is the portal or the gateway into our database proper. And we have about 5 million data points or data sets, records. And you can also search GrainGenes with Google. It'll find things in for example, abstracts of references. You can do a keyword search at Wheat Information Service, and you can also search for a gene model placed on the genome browser. So here we use one of the examples. What appeared was just one icon for the browser it was found on, and then if you click that there, it will take you directly into the browser. Okay, looking at more things on the left menu, there's ways of submitting data. So there are both templates and links and more instructions. In the community services not yet mentioned, there's a large list of downloadable files, like large files, say, for all the sequences in a given paper. Species-specific portals on GrainGenes include a Global Durum, which is very current, and other oat resources, including the oat newsletter that's constantly being published, an oat nomenclature guide, and the Pan-Oat project. Finally, the Wheat Gene Catalog is a long curated list of accepted wheat gene names and QTL names with references and mapping information. And finally, there's a meeting calendar on the left menu page for wonderful places you can go. On the right menu, we have a GrainGenes update list where new genome browsers, new curated data, new tools, really anything on GrainGenes is announced here. And below that are social media links. Thanks for watching, and please contact us at curator@graingenes.org for suggestions and questions.